Well, hi folks, 1st of March today, so it's not raining, so I thought I better get my garlic planted. I always plant mine, obviously, as you know, a little bit later than most people. A lot of people plant theirs in autumn, but I always leave mine till early spring, so March the 1st is the day for me. So I'm going to be using my own kept bulbs. I always try and keep the biggest ones. Some beauties there from last year. I don't know whether or not they do grow bigger bulbs the next year, but I just do it anyway. So the first job is to just separate these bulbs into the individual cloves. Some nice big cloves there. And another, I don't know whether it's an old wives' tale or not, but they say, some people say, just use the outside cloves and don't use the ones on the inside. So I do go along with that, but if I run out of cloves, I'll use the ones on the inside. So I'll need about 60 today, because I'll be planting 60. Plant about 20 in this row. This gave me all the biggest bulbs last year, and then I've got another 2 rows of 20 in the main bed, which weren't quite as big, but they were still pretty decent. So we'll just get about 20 of these out to start with. Again, I'll leave the middle. So there we go. So the way I like to plant mine, 6 inches apart and a foot between the rows. So we'll start off about 8 inches from the end here. Oh. Start from here. Not really sure how many I'm going to get in this. Just have a little quick guesstimate. So if I put one, start about 6 inches, and every 6 inch, let's just see if I can get a full amount in. 38 and 36, that'll do. So I'm going to get 6 in this row, and it's so easy to plant garlic. It's not difficult at all. You've got your garlic clove there. It's got a pointy end, that's where the leaves are going to grow out, and a flat end, that's where the roots are going to grow out. And then it's just a matter of pushing it into the soil, basically, so the bulb's planted the same size as the bulb below the surface. So it's going to be about an inch, the tip's going to be about an inch below the surface of the soil. So it's just simply just pushing it in like so. Couldn't be easier. Like that, dead easy. And like I said, I'm going to plant these a foot apart in the row. Get myself sorted out for once. Very organised. It's blowing a gale as well today, so it's a bit funky. So again, every 6 inches, just pushing them in, burying the tops about the depth of the bulb. Basically, when you're pushing it in, just push it in, hold it at the top and push it in up to your sort of the knuckle of your thumb, if you will. This is very soft soil, so it just goes in really quickly. 30, 36. All I've done with this soil is just add some bloodfish and bone, about 4 ounces a square yard, so nothing fancy at all. So they don't take much looking after. There's not many pests. The main pest is rust, really, and there's not much you can do about that. You either get it or you don't. It's one of these fungal things, so it's in the lap of the gods, really. Some years you get it, some years you don't, and as long as you don't get it too early on, when the plants are small, then you should get it. If you get it later on when the bulbs are forming, it's not a big deal, because it won't stop them getting too small. but if you do get it early on, it can be a bit of a disaster. And like I said, there's not really much you can do about it, nothing you can spray, so it's just one of those things really. So we'll just do this last one. I'm going to get 18 in here. 12, 18, 24, 30, and then 36. So that's 18 planted in there. You can fill the holes in, but the water will wash all the soil in. Just got to make a little mark where they are. But they should be starting to sprout in a few weeks, so that's a few planted in there. So I've got exactly the same to do here again. 2 rows of 20 in this my main bed. So I won't bore you to tears, but exactly the same, just pushing them in. 6 inches apart, about 1 inch deep. All the way along. Couldn't be easier. It's probably only going to be taking me about 10 minutes to do all these, and that's it really. They just tend to look after themselves. 36, so we'll get on and plant the rest of these, and then that should be it. Alright then folks, there we go. That's 40 planted in there. Only took about 5 minutes. So that's 40 in there. And then we've got 20 in this bed, or 18, so that's about roughly 60. So that's the garlic done for this year. Not a lot to do really. It tends to look after itself, so but that's one job up and out of the way. So that's about it folks. I'll see you later.